Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to download and install Epson Expression Home XP2200 driver. We can use Google or Bing. So go to Google Chrome, then select Epson Support. Epson Support. Select on it. Search for the product name or search by serial number. So this printer is XP2200 Epson Expression Home XP2200. Select on it. Then you scroll down. It will show you download. And from download, it will show you product setup or drivers, creative software, network utility, fireware, other software. This printer, if you want to set this printer up for the first time, I want us to download and install the full package. So select Epson Product Setup. It will give you additional information. Epson Product Setup contains everything you need to use your Epson product. This program downloads and installs the latest drivers and software for your Epson product, and where applicable, may download network utilities and the additional software, Epson Scanner 2, and etc. So select download. Then open the file on top, or you can go to File Explorer, select Downloads. It will show you the file. This is the file. Double click it to open. Then it will show you, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Epson Web Installer Setup. Then you select Yes. Then it will show you Install XP2200 series. Licensing agreement, end user agreement. Then you select Accept. Select Yes. Then select Next. Thank you for choosing this Epson product. See the paper manual for detail on setting up the printer's hardware. Make sure the printer is turned on. Then select Next. Downloading required software. Downloading the printer driver. Installing printer driver. Installing scanner driver. So instead of downloading individual, once you select this product setup, it will download the driver, scanner, and etc. And also it will show you select connection method. So if you connect the printer via a wireless network, then you select connect via wireless network. Or if you are connecting the printer via a USB cable, then you select connect via a USB cable. Then you select Next. When the USB cable connected, the setup proceed automatically. So likewise, if you connect the printer to a wireless network, it will pick up the printer from the system that the connection is established. Then you proceed, complete the process. If you don't want to connect it now, you can select Do Not Connect Now. Then select Next. It will show you setup complete. Your product is ready to use. Then you select Finish Setup. So this is how to download the driver for this printer. Thank you very much indeed.